Drones have been rising in popularity for quite some time.
Large to very, very small.
There's all kinds of sensors and robotics and other types of technology.
Drones help you get a more complete picture of your area of expertise. The Carolina Drone Lab is a research unit hosted in the UNC Institute for the Environment.
It is meant to be a central hub for anybody interested in doing drone-related work or learning about drones to come together and share information and share resources.
The Drone Lab aims to be a resource that isn't just confined to Chapel Hill. We want to cover mountains to sea. Although we're relatively new, we've found quite a few collaborations with a wide variety of folks.
Currently, the Drone Lab is involved in everything from training natural resource managers to use drones, to mapping marshes up in Currituck Sound, to mapping beaver marshes here locally, and doing some forestry work lately. We have an assortment of drones to do an assortment of tasks. We have very small quadcopters that are meant to just capture video and RGB and maybe do some mapping. And we have very large drones that can carry massive payloads. And for staff, we are small. We have about 4 or 5 people on staff regularly, but then we have associated partners that we work with that we consider part of our drone lab.
The Drone Lab at UNC will help tremendously across the entire university, really having a consortium of individuals to bring together and collect the data and then share the data so that you're not having to redo multiple different missions.
I think having a drone lab at Carolina will make a huge difference. It is one more resource for students and faculty and scientists and storytellers to come together and use a really amazing piece of technology. So I think it's going to have a great impact at Carolina.